Hello everybody, Danu here. In this video, I will show you how to install the Debian 12 virtual machine on your computer using VMware Workstation. But make sure to download and install the VMware Workstation first, and also download the Debian 12 ISO file. If you have downloaded and installed, let's get into the video. So the first thing you need to do is open your virtual machine Workstation Pro and then create a new machine. Just use the typical and select your Debian ISO file. Next, name your virtual machine. In this video, I will use example, and then the location is where you gonna store your Debian file, and make sure that that space is free, because if you don't use the free space, the Debian 12 will not boot. Next, use the default settings, and yeah, you can see there is a store virtual disk in a single file or split virtual disk into multiple files. Well, it's not really different, so you can use the single or split because it doesn't really different at all. Next, you can customize your hardware here, but I don't wanna customize my hardware right now because it's just a tutorial, so just close and finish. But it's not done yet, you need to boot. So click your mouse on the screen and then select the install. Well, in the Debian 12 installation in here, you maybe only need to use your keyboard because your mouse is not used in here. Use the language. In this video, I will use the English language, and the country, there is no Indonesia right now, so select other, select Asia, and select the Indonesia. Country to paste default locate settings on, just use United States because there is no Indonesia option right here. Key map to use. So the key map we're gonna use is American English because it's the default and standard, international standard for now. And wait for a while. So if you encounter this, just continue because yeah, we don't really need to configure network right now, so just click continue and do not figure the network at this time. Hostname. So enter your hostname or the root user on your server. So also enter the root password. And yeah, in this you also need to add a new user. So in here I'll just go with example, and yeah, the password. So in this section, you need to choose based where you are right now. Now I am in the Central Java Wonosobo, so I will use the Western. In this section, partitioning method, just use the guide. Use entire disk. And yeah, just enter. Yeah, partitioning scheme. All files in one partition because yeah, it's for new user and friendly for you user. Just finish the partitioning and yes, write change to the disk. Well, if you see some of those before, like network mirroring, you don't need to accept that, just press no. Yes, network mirroring, installation media, extra installation media, just click no. And also just click no on the package survey and wait for a while. So in this section, choose software to install because we gonna use only CLI, so just delete the Debian desktop environment and the GNOME. We only need the standard system utilities. If you have delete, just click enter and wait for a while. And yeah, install the group bootloader to your primary drive. Yes, because we need group bootloader to boot our Debian 12 virtual machine, because if we don't install the group bootloader, the Debian 12 machine will not boot. Yes, and device for bootloader installation, use the dev SDA and wait for a while. So finish the installation. Yeah, we have finished the installation, so let's try to log into our Debian 12 and let's wait for a while. And yep, if your interface look like this, it means that we are finished installation and we can log in into our Debian 12. Let's try login with our username, example, and password. Enter our password, and yeah, we finally complete the installation. So I think this is all I can say for this video. So thank you and see you in the next video. Bye.